day in the life of the Masked Crusher.
This is another day in the life of the Masked Crusher, and let me tell you, pukes out there, why? Because my life is so fantastic, my life is so great, that if I told you even one iota of what I did today, you would jump out of buildings killing yourself, because you'd feel so bad, and we can't have that because the buy rates for wrestling will be going down. So instead, it's gonna be another episode of The Masked Wrestler telling you how worthless and weak you are. You make me want to crap myself in anger. Well, let me tell you this. Let me explain something to you. Let me tell you one important detail about the Ultimate Society Wrestling, whatever the hell that stupid place that is paying my paychecks is called. There's a lot of wrestlers there who are pulling their weight around here. And I am gonna take their place. Because I swear to God, if I have to hear about, I don't know, like say, the Punisher talking, no, not the Punisher, he wasn't there. Oh, pardon me. I made a mistake. No, I mean, the what's his name? Stink. Stink. You know why they call you Stink? Because you stink. Oh, I am a killer. That's what I'm doing to you. You are the Ultimate Warrior, or Dingo, or whatever the hell his stupid name is now. You're the tag team called the Blade Runners. You ripped off the movie, and don't you even try to say you didn't do anything with the because I know, and I have the movie here somewhere, but I'm not going to bother pull it out. So,